Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to continue talking about shoes. So first, answer these questions. How many shoes do you have? Why? What do you search for when buying shoes? Please think about this before class so we can discuss. Okay? Great. Now, go to your student book page 111. 110, sorry. Here, you will find the article we read during class. I need you to please find some comparisons in this article. Please pause the video and circle them. Great. So, we're going to review how to form comparatives. Look at this sentence. The owner of these shoes is probably more flirtatious and feminine and less domineering. What is the form to make a comparative sentence if I have a short adjective? Well, when we have a short adjective, we should start with the adjective, right? What should I write next? That's right. Er, than, and noun. So than and noun, they are in parentheses because if you're including the noun at the end, then you will definitely use than. If you don't include it because it's obvious, then please omit both. Pause the video and do the other two structures. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and check. When we have long adjectives, what we are going to do is to use more adjective. Once again, than and noun are optional. And when we want to make a negative comparison, we're going to use less adjective than noun. That's good. Very good. Now, let's continue. Please come up with the form of this sentence. His shoes can say as much about him as his carefully chosen car. Please pause the video. Great. So, we're going to use as when we have a noun phrase or an adjective as. So, this is where we're going to be using when we want to say that they are the same. There is no difference between them. If there is a difference, you can say not as, a noun phrase, or an adjective as. Very good. Let's continue. Now, please read the sentences. Which of the expressions in bold refer to a large difference, a moderate difference, a small difference, or no difference? Please pause the video while you think about this. Okay, great. So, we're going to discuss this during our class, okay? Now, let's go to our workbook page 41. Please complete the sentences comparing the country's ecological footprints. Use each word or phrase in the box once. For example, we have letter A. The USA's ecological footprint is by far the biggest of those shown. We're using by far because remember that indicates a very big difference. What about the second? Spain's ecological footprint is bigger than Italy's. Look at them. Is there a big or a small difference there? That's right, it's a very small difference. So we're going to use very slightly. That's correct. Now pause the video and work on the rest. Great, let's check. C. Finland's footprint is just as big as Australia's. Brazil's footprint is somewhat less than the global average. Bangladesh's footprint is considerably smaller than other countries. The other countries' ecological footprint are nowhere near as big as the USA's. Very good. Now continue working in your workbook, page 41, this time exercise 5. Please write sentences to show your own opinion. Use the words given and choose a word from the box. For example, we have soccer, baseball exciting. An example could be soccer is far more exciting than baseball. Skiing, snowboarding, dangerous. I think skiing is just as dangerous as snowboarding. What about you? Please pause the video and write down your sentences. Okay, great guys, we're going to share this during our class, okay? I will see you then. Bye bye!